Okay, this is my dining room in a townhouse from a galley kitchen that's through those doors. And then I made a 123 inch long by 36 inch wide island. And then here in this first cabinet is going to be a bar sink, just to rinse off vegetables or get water for ingredients for making things. And then two double pullouts for trash. And then there's two 11.5 and a 6 inch, I think they're 33 inch wide drawer bases on each side. And then here's it'll open to the outer side. It'll have a pull out for the dog food. And then here we have two 35 inch tall by 15 inch deep by 30 inch upper wall cabinets. And then this pantry. So there's 1, 2, 3 11 inch drawers to match the ones on the island. An espresso cabinet with a drawer that'll slide out, and then drawers that'll slide out for the pods for it. Next up is the microwave, just a countertop microwave, and up top will be storage for sheet pans or cooking pans. And then the door will open up, and then next to that right there will be two pull-out 17 inch wide by 24 inch deep. And these are all made with 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch tube steel that's 16 gauge. And to do all the structure for this was about $250. Now I own my own cabinet company, and I also was a manufacturer's rep for a high-end cabinet company. What you pay, it's just not worth it. So basically all I have to do is just put some plywood inners that divide the boxes and doors. It'll be a frameless, so only 1/8 of an inch on each side of the door will show, or 1/4 of an inch in between two doors. That's it. So that's as far as I got. Now I just have to kind of sand everything down and get it primed and painted, and then start making all the drawer boxes, which would be a lot of fun. It's not that bad. Thanks.